Need to remove something from your design, whether it's a text, image, or elements. I'll show you how to delete them easily. Let's get started. First, open your project and select the object you want to delete. You will see a toolbar appear. Look for the trash icon or delete option. Tap on it and boom, it's gone. If you are removing multiple elements, just select them all and delete it in one go. If you accidentally delete something important, don't panic. Use the undo button to bring it back instantly. What's the most common thing you find yourself deleting in Adobe Express? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.